All right, since last we met, I managed to boil that 8 gallons of sap down to less than a quart. As you can see, there's still some sugar sand niter down in the bottom of that jar. I tried to run it through a coffee filter, but the filtration on that is so fine, and as the sap densens up into syrup, it didn't go through. It was like one drip every 10 seconds. It would have taken me forever to get this quart through. So what I did was doubled up on some cheesecloth, threw it in a funnel, and ran it through there. And I'll bet you I removed at least 50% or more of that sand and niter. So something else to talk about is when we were last tapping trees, we mentioned that the weather still wasn't quite right. And we had some days early in the week here in which the temperature never got above 26 degrees. So I went out to check on the sap, and there had been a little bit of production, but it was all frozen solid in the containers, and I couldn't even empty it out. Things have changed since then. Yesterday we had temperatures up near 40, up in the 40s, near 50, and the night before it was below freezing, and the same with last night. So yesterday I went out and in one day collected 6 gallons of sap. So I got up this morning and we already have our sap production underway. I got our burners lit up. We got another boil about to go off here, so we got some nice, clear, clean sap getting ready to boil down. I can already see some bubbles forming down there, and I haven't had this thing on for 5 minutes yet. But all told, I collected about 6 gallons. It's all right there in those two pans, and that's going to start boiling and warming. And while that's going on, I'm going to go back out into the woods and collect the rest of the sap for today, so that I can keep this boil going and hopefully concentrate down a bit more moving into this afternoon. With temperatures and things aligning as they are, we might get another one this afternoon where I have to go back out and collect them. I doubt it. There's only a couple of trees that might produce that much, but I'll check them nonetheless, and if I need to, I'll collect them. One thing of note is the forecast for next week is calling for no temperatures to go below the freezing point. Everything in the mid to upper 30s as a nighttime low. Sometimes that's the end of your sap season. So, time will tell. We'll keep after it, but I'm going to shift gears here while this comes up to temperature and starts boiling off. I'm going to go collect sap so I can keep adding to it. More to come. Thank you.